In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use promo codes or coupons that waive the minimum checkout amount. This is a handy trick if you're someone who loves to shop online but doesn't always want to meet that pesky minimum spending limit. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by adding items to your shopping cart. This step might seem straightforward, but it's important to know that you need to select enough items to meet the minimum checkout amount set by the store. Think of it as creating a temporary shopping list. This requirement often comes about to encourage larger purchases, but with our tactic, you'll be able to bypass it effectively. So explore the store's offerings, add whatever catches your eye, and if you're close but not quite there, consider adding lower cost items to hit that threshold. Now that you've hit the minimum amount and your cart is brimming with products, it's time to move on to the next tactic. Here's where the magic happens. Go through the items in your cart and meticulously decide which ones you actually want to keep. As you do this, start removing the items you're not interested in purchasing. This step is crucial because it effectively brings the total down without losing access to the promotional benefits. You might have to readjust and add or remove items a couple of times to ensure that the cart initially meets the promotional requirements. If after doing this you're still facing a stubborn minimum checkout amount that refuses to budge, there's another trick you can try. This is where contacting Temu customer support can be quite beneficial. Reach out to them and politely request a waiver for the minimum checkout. Sometimes, simply explaining your situation and asking for assistance can work wonders. Customer support teams are often equipped with permissions to offer flexibility in certain situations, especially if you emphasize your willingness to make a purchase but are just slightly hindered by the existing restrictions. Remember, patience is key here. Be polite, clear, and concise when communicating your needs. They might just grant that waiver or provide an alternative solution, making your shopping experience even more pleasant. As a shopper, it's always good to remember that customer service is there to help you have a great experience, so don't hesitate to reach out. Do these straightforward steps, adding items to meet the minimum, removing unwanted products, and contacting support for a waiver. You can effectively use promo codes that waive away those stubborn limits. Shopping online can be a delightful experience, especially when you know how to make the most of available promotions. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now better equipped to navigate minimum checkout hurdles. Happy shopping!